I'm not sure how to make the speech go. With the permission of our royal family, the chair of the Council of Election Members, let me say that what we have from the two professors who addressed us is a call to action. Our governor, he the grand governor 8 years ago, and the summary of his tenure is that he kept his word. He fulfilled his promises. He restored the pride of Rivers State. Our traditional rulers are now looking like traditional rulers. Our chiefs and elders and leaders working with greater pride. Your Excellencies, we are phenomenal. Nobody can understand how we function. How you and your dear wife organize yourselves to function the way you are functioning that made it possible for you to perform the way you perform. Phenomenal. We congratulate you. We urge you to walk with pride, with a sense of contentment. You've done it. Like we said to you yesterday, swagger with contentment and pride. Walk with your shoulders up. Because in the history of Nigeria, nobody has to come with you. The God that made you do what you've done over the past 8 years enabled you to function the way you did, strengthen you, and load you with the courage to challenge those that will never have been challenged ever before in the history of this country. You not only challenged, you confronted the challenges you met. And those that were thrown at you, and you prevailed and came out victorious and intact. One of your wounds was cracked. That doesn't happen in Africa. You are an example and an inspiration to those who are after you. Our government, will I say, has been your younger brother and friend and clear about the vision you have unleashed our society. He has no choice than to follow. See, yes, the shoe may look too big, but with God, nothing is impossible. So feel confident. Feel confident. The book presenters have told you, the professors who with you, they have told you that you have no choice. Where our governor going to stop because he's still working, knowing until midnight on May 29, he's still at work. They've told you to make where he stops your takeoff point. And by the special grace of God, that will be your takeoff point. And you have no choice than to take the justice to the next step. It is on this route, let's humbly request that MCs control situations. My former Chief Judge of the state, the chairman of the commission, but the MCs take over. They are just told me that he has a line of things to do. But I want to end on the note. Yes. Words cannot describe your success. You hit the ground on the 29th of April, 2015. No minute of your tenure was wasted in meaningless things. Every minute of your time was deployed for the local state. No part of the state did not feel the impact of your governance. So go home to life and prepare for what God has prepared for you. I have no doubt that God is not finished with you. Rivers people are waiting for you. Waiting for you to grant seed and his team to the next level. And we are waiting as parents for greater days from the state. For Nigeria to know that God did not make a mistake in constructing the map of Nigeria. The weight of Nigeria is sitting on the state. And because God does not make mistakes, it is the owner of the land that carries the weight. Rivers State is carrying the weight of Nigeria because God destined this state to be the strength of Nigeria, to be the heart of Nigeria, and the best in Nigeria should happen from Rivers State. That is the do you